Do you know an animal that turns brown in the summer and spring? It lives near the North Pole. This animal makes dents. The animal is special, and I will teach you why. The Arctic fox lives in the tundra. The Arctic fox makes dents for his home. The Arctic fox needs a lot of fluffy fur. The Arctic fox eats fish, meat, and drinks water. The Arctic fox camouflages and doesn't let animals eat them. The Arctic fox are mammals that makes dens for shelter and adapt to their habitat by changing brown in the summer and spring.